Fix it like a pro. 142-piece toolkit that saves the day and your sanity. Ever tried fixing something with a butter knife because you couldn't find a screwdriver? Yeah, we've all been there. Meet the Amazon Basics 142-piece household toolkit, the ultimate lifesaver for home repairs, DIY projects, and everyday fixes. This all-in-one toolkit is packed with must-have essentials, from a hammer and tape measure to precision screwdrivers and wrenches. No more digging through drawers or borrowing tools from your neighbor. This kit has everything you need, all in one sleek, turquoise case that's organized, compact, and ready to roll. Why settle for a flimsy, half-baked tool set when you can have pro-level durability without the hefty price tag? Every tool is made of heat-treated, corrosion-resistant steel, meaning they're built to last and won't bail on you mid-project. The easy grip, non-slip handles give you total control, so no more fumbling with slippery pliers or dropping tools on your toes. Whether you're hanging shelves, assembling furniture, or fixing that wobbly table, this high-quality toolkit gets the job done quickly, easily, and stress-free. Why waste hundreds of dollars on a handyman when you can handle small repairs yourself? This affordable, beginner-friendly tool set pays for itself after just 1 or 2 fixes. Plus, everything stays neatly organized in the blow-molded storage case, so you'll never lose another screwdriver again. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or even keeping in your car for emergencies. Skip the frustration, save time and money, and tackle repairs like a pro. Compared to other toolkits, this one is the real deal, no useless fillers, no flimsy tools that break after 2 uses. It's got the perfect balance of quality, quantity, and convenience, making it a must-have for homeowners, renters, and DIY lovers alike. Tired of cheap sets that fall apart? This one is Amazon tested, customer approved, and built for everyday use. Don't let small repairs stress you out. This kit makes every job feel effortless. If you can own only one tool set, this is the one to get. Affordable, durable, organized, and packed with essentials, this 142-piece powerhouse is a total game-changer for home maintenance. Click Add to Cart now and never struggle with a repair again. Fixing things has never been this easy, or this fun.